How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our standard features on our K-Force full-size light bars. So for example here, I have our K-Force 47 TIR up top. Now on this light bar I did bring an amber color setup, and I'm using our Supreme control box. Now with your light bar you'll have 12 feet of cable going to your switch box, and then you'll have your power line here, which you'll run to your vehicle battery. And then you'll have your aux line here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting, all off of your Supreme control box. So here, I'll go to the third position here on the Supreme control, and that will activate the light bar in 360 mode. Now, you'll notice my two takedowns, my two alley lights, and then I have an amber traffic advisor in the back. So I'll go ahead and activate those. So takedowns, alleys, and then traffic advisor here. Now on your traffic advisor, you can activate it in center out, left, right, and right, left, all here with your arrows on your Supreme control box. And then you also have night mode here, which is a button you can activate for a red backlight on your buttons on your Supreme control box, or you can hardwire your night mode if you would like to with the white cable here coming off of your cable harness. And then here you'll have your mode button. So I have one flash pattern programmed in mode 1, and then I have a second flash pattern programmed in mode 2. So you have two flash pattern memories. And then standard, again, you'll have your two white takedowns, your two white alley lights, and your amber traffic advisor in the back. Now we do have a multicolor upgrade for our TIR series to where those modules will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate those functions, they will go to clear if you need that functionality. Now on the bottom here, I brought our multicolor K-Force 47 Linear in a red-blue color setup. So you'll notice your light bar is flashing back and forth between red and blue. And we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor options. Now again, you'll have your two white takedowns, your two white alley lights, and your traffic advisor in the back there. Now you also have your cruise functionality here, which will activate your four corner LEDs. Now on our multicolor series, that will activate the secondary color ordered of your light bar. So for example, here was a red blue. So when I go to steady burn, the blue activates on the corners there. So I'll go ahead and activate the takedowns, alley, and traffic advisor again to show you those. And again, those will come standard clear for your takedowns, alleys, and then your 6 modules will be your amber traffic advisor in the back. And this applies to our K-Force 36 to our K-Force 75 full-size light bar sizes. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade for the takedowns, alley, and traffic advisor on this light bar as well. Now for your takedowns and alleys, those modules would flash your primary color. For example, here would be red, and your secondary color would be clear for your takedowns and alleys. And then your traffic advisor would be the multicolor ordered of your light bar. So it would traffic advise in the same warning color you would have on your light bar. And then finally, you'll see your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your Supreme control box, which you'll use your secondary cable harness, which is labeled with a red and blue cable here, not to get confused with your main red and black power. Now we do offer our TIR and multicolor linear series in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options for any application. So make sure to check out the product pages and use our interactive players to fully demo your light bars before you buy, and also check out the product demos for a full product overview. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.